out everywhere as part of your denominator. So we need to identify the conjugate of your denominator. Anybody can identify the conjugate? So we must multiply by the conjugate, which will be what?
A minus B R.
Which is root of 2 times minus root of 3. You're going to do the same thing as part of your numerator. That's the only way you'll be able to get rid of those radical signs in your denominator. So we have to multiply by the conjugate. And from there on, you're going to use the for method. Right? First in there, out there, and last for your numerator. For this, you're going to do only first and last, because it says sum and a sum and what? And a difference. This is the sum, this is the difference. You do first and last. So for your denominator, you will have square root of 2 times square root of 2 and square root of 2 times square root of 3 times negative square root of 3 for your numerator. What is square root of 2 times square root of 2? Let's go, people. What is that? No clue? What is square root of 2 times square root of 2? Yeah, at least that's square root of 4. And what is plus square root of 3 times negative square root of 3? That will give you negative root of 9. Then we can combine and simplify later. Alright? And we're gonna go as a numerator now. We're gonna use the entire 4. This is this and that. What do you get for that? Let's go. What is 4 times square root of 2? I'll give you 4 square root of 2. And you do the same thing. That's your first. That's your root. 4 times that, that will give you 4. That's a negative root of 3. Then you do this. When you multiply that, what you get? Square root of 12. That's positive. We can combine and simplify later. And this will give you negative root of 18. Then we can combine and simplify that. So as your numerator, you will have 4 root of 2 minus 4 root of 3. Root of 12 can be simplified as 4 times what? 4 times 3, then you take square root of that. This will give you 2 root of 3. That's a positive 2 root of 3. And this is 18 is times 2. Then you take the square root of that. That will give you negative 3 root of 2. Alright? That's your numerator. Now here we have to come simplify. Everybody should know what square root of 4 is. What is square root of 4? 2. That will be 2 minus, what is root of 9? 3. That's 3. So we simplify our denominator. Now we're going to simplify your numerator. Here are the like terms. Which are the like terms? That will be 4 root of 2 combined with negative 3 root of 2 will give you, that's going to give you root of 2. Right? You have minus 4 root of 3 and 2 root of 3. That will give you negative 2 root of 3 over what? -1. Alright, so you can take the -1, divide by that. That will give you -root of 2 plus what? 2 root of 3. Alright, when you divide that, then that will be your final outcome. Does that make sense? So that's what you are supposed to do. That will be the end of this problem.